Hi, this is Abdul Aziz. This family project is one of the biggest projects I have ever worked in designing and developing so far. This farm belonged to my father, and at some points I have helped him in developing the initial planning of the project. I have proposed to the architects a few ideas shown of the farm theme. After tons of working hard on the architectural planning, this is the final special planning.